Building or installing a Firefox web app and dealing with WEBAPP manifest files. These are JSON configuration files describing web applications for browser installation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view, edit, and use these web application manifest files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful web app file inspection tool. A WEBAPP file is a JSON-based manifest that provides information about a web application, such as its name, author, icon, and description. It is a core component of progressive web apps, PWAs, allowing users to install a website to their home screen on desktop or mobile for an app-like experience. The file uses a standardized JSON JavaScript Object Notation structure. This text-based key-value pair format was chosen because it is lightweight, human-readable, and easily parsed by web browsers. It enables developers to declare app properties declaratively, which the browser then uses to integrate the web app into the host OS. Generally, WEBAPP files are associated with web browsers developed by W3C/Mozilla. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows can open them in editors, but visual output requires a browser. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the WEBAPP file and choose Open With. Use web browsers first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If you still cannot open your WEBAPP file, that is okay. The specificity of the WEBAPP format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, opening in a text editor. WEBAPP files are plain text JSON, so open them in any text editor like Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or VS Code. These editors provide JSON syntax highlighting and validation, showing the manifest structure clearly. You can read all metadata fields and edit values directly with proper JSON formatting. Next, validating manifest structure. Use a JSON validator like jsonlint.com or the built-in validation in VS Code to verify the web app file is properly formatted. Check that required fields are present and values follow the Mozilla manifest specification. Invalid JSON or missing required fields will prevent the manifest from being recognized by browsers. Finally, installing the web app. Historically, WEBAPP files were installed through Firefox OS or Firefox Marketplace, which are now discontinued. For modern equivalents, convert web app files to the W3C web app manifest standard manifest.json format. Update field names accordingly and serve the file from your web server for installation as a progressive web app. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.